stand, including a giant grizz. And I'm guaranteeing that, I mean, the pictures are enormous. Huh, Linda? You think that? You're gonna get them. Or I'm gonna get them.
We'll see.
We'll see. The rain's gonna dissipate a little bit for us. Destination's right up there in the river. You can see. Somewhere in them woods is a world record bear. This is where it gets kind of serious, boys and girls. All right, get the bear hunting. He's over here. You're good, you're good.
Yeah, they're too small.
So we shot them with our cameras and our video.
Kind of a nuisance, actually.
Yeah, they're kind of a pain. They're kind of like two little teenagers. Troublemakers, huh?
Yeah.
But it's just, yeah, we're after the big ones. And
You need a bigger one. Can't just take a little one just to take it.
not just to do it,
No,
right?
no. We'll come back and find a bigger one.
So I really enjoyed watching them though, didn't you?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I mean, if all you gotta do is just take pictures, what a great way to watch bears.
Exactly.
Well, after sitting in the tree stand for hours, the grizz never showed up. And these little nuisance bears kept hanging out. They're like a couple little teenagers causing trouble the whole time. They're just too small. You are hunting with Troy Sessions. And look what we get to see all the time. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. If you know somebody that could really use this information, please share it with them. And when you subscribe, hit that bell if you want to know more, because it'll notify you when I have new videos coming out. Tell me if you want to know more, what you want to know more about. I'll be happy to do the research, look things up, and get them for you here, maybe even on the next episode. And I might even include your name in it if it's going to be a super relevant question that everybody will benefit from. So again, I'm Troy Sessions. Be safe out there hunting, guys.